Have you ever wondered why people pay almost twice more for their coffee in Starbucks, or why there are thousands of people waiting in the long lines to buy new Apple product? Well, the answer is quite simple. These companies build strong brands. Now, would you like to build a brand of your business but you don't know where to start? Or maybe you already read some books about the topic, but they were all about strategies that require $1 million budget, which obviously you don't have. Well, if it sounds like you, I'm here to help. My name is Mark Piechota and I advise small companies how to stand out from the crowd. Can I promise you that you become an Apple of your industry? Well, of course not. There are simply too many factors involved. However, I'm here to show you that you can build a successful brand no matter the size of your business. There is nothing like one secret formula for success. However, success always leaves clues. That's why you don't have to reinvent the wheel, but simply apply things that already worked for someone else. I know there are lots of case studies about big brands like Apple or Nike. That's why in this course I will reveal secrets of small companies who, just like you, instead of $1 million budget, use their passion and smart strategy to build their brand and stand out from the crowd. I believe that the best way to learn is by doing. That's why inside of this course you will find lots of exercises, case studies and ready-to-use templates. Also, I want you to feel comfortable about making this investment, so I decided to post several free videos so you can check out if the content is right for you. Please make sure that you watch at least the first video where I'm talking about what exactly will be covered. Now go ahead, take this course now and let's build a brand you'll be proud of.